Shumai, I'm Gina, VP of Growth at Duolingo. As many of you know, learning a new language can be really tough. It takes a really long time. It can't really be done overnight. It takes a lot of perseverance. That's why we decided to break down some of these barriers and make it really simple, really fun, and we try to make it more and more game-like every day. The idea is that when you have free time, instead of turning to something like Candy Crush or a mindless game, you can actually spend that time learning a language. And that can double or triple the income potential of someone, and can actually help people reconnect with their roots, with their family, and even help revive languages that are struggling to survive. We've also spent a lot of time developing techniques to teach languages efficiently, and we're excited to see that things have worked out really well. Without any paid marketing, Duolingo has grown now, and we have about 170 million users all around the world learning a language who, and a lot of these people may not have been able to. We're particularly excited also by the popularity of the Welsh course, and very, very thankful to the dedicated team of volunteers in Wales that worked to make this possible. We're also very happy to work alongside the National Center for Learning Welsh, and I hope you have a great event. Hwyl fawr, stay well, learn Welsh.